mga ka-pretties! Kumusta kayo lahat? So, andito ako sa Lucas Studio kasi mag-guest ako sa Luis Talks. Oh, Luis Listens pala! Sorry! Oh my God! Kasi alam ko you like talking eh. I didn't know you like listen also.
Tony talks yun. Look at Tony.
Sorry! Luis Listens pala.
Hirap po ito. Lugi ka agad, no?
Sorry, Luis, but you know, it's so nice because I met Luis long time ago.
Yes, long time ago. And I think,
These are days.
yes, I think even before ka mag-full showbiz.
Yeah.
And everything.
I actually watched just recently, what is Bora Bora?
Yung the sitcom na, oh wow. Payat pa ako nun ha. Payat.
Payat.
And I think I met you when you were fairly new asa. Kumbaga, you were still relatively, ano ba, uninvolved pa nung time na yun. Kumbaga, you were new sa Philippines, no? Grabe, nakakatawa talaga.
It's super long time ago. Yesterday lang pala.
Comment, hello daw.
Oh, hello, kamusta?
Buon tardes, good afternoon. Did I say it? Tama ba? Buon tarde?
Bota.
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 Buon tarde. That's good afternoon, no?
Yes, bota.
Nakakarunong ka ng konting Portuguese.
Oo. Medyo na-improve na yung Tagalog ko eh.
Oo nga.
By the time wala, pati English.
I met Lucky in the PAL airplane before. He's very mabait, respectful. Please tell him. Thank you very much, Miss Marvy.
Ang dami ka
Thank you very much.
Ang dami ka fans. Totoo yan.
Super bait po talaga ako. As in, grabe. Kahit naman napapaitan ako sa sarili ko. 6 times a day ako nagsisimba.
Yun. Perfect yan. But I'm excited because I heard it's so much fun to, of course, to guest in your show.
Ay, just ko na pala.
Super fun daw. It's super fun. And you really listen daw.
Actually,
You almost never talk.
maraming akong bashers. Sabi, bakit Luis listens yan? Eh, ang dal-dal mo. Oh well. So, abangan nyo sa Luis Listens, ha?
Exactly. Luis listens. Sorry po. Mali pala ako. Sorry po. So, yun. Pero yun, guys. So, it's gonna be so much fun. So, we're here in the studio. Ang ganda-ganda ng studio ni Luis, oh. Narinig ko mayari yata siya dito, eh. Ang laki, oh. Ang ganda. Full production. So, yun. So, abangan nyo. Kasi, of course, mag-guess ko sa kanya. Pero, mag-guess din siya sa akin. So, abangan nyo yung yung guest niya sa sa Facebook page natin. Okay? So, promise to be fun. Promise to be something very, entertaining. And we're gonna start in a while. So, hintay na lang namin. Kung ano kailangan hintay namin. And dito si Kuya. Hi, Kuya! O, si Kuya naman, ganyan na behind the scene. Diba? So, yun. Let me correct again, ha? It's Luis Listens kasi he listens. Okay? So, yun. Ako yung dapat matatalk sa show niya. So, yun, guys. So, this is just a short live para malalaman nyo nung ginagawa namin dito. And then, makikita tayo sa vlog natin. Okay? So, I will go ahead and abangan nyo yung Luis Listens. Yung Luis Listens, of course, YouTube, diba? YouTube, diba, Luis? YouTube. Of course, yung sa akin dito sa Facebook. Pero may balita ko sa inyo na maganda. May YouTube channel na tayo. Diba, Kuya? Kuya, ha? Ikaw na, oh. Kailan ka-upload sa YouTube, Kuya? Mamaya? Mamaya ba? On the way? Oh, pero na tayo, yung YouTube channel. Kailangan lang ni Kuya upload lang. Okay? So, yun lang, guys. So, we're gonna have Facebook. We're gonna have YouTube din. So, sa YouTube, Priscilla Mireles Official. So, don't worry. Mapopost natin dito sa Facebook page natin kung ano yung address, ano yung link sa YouTube, YouTube channel natin. Kasi sa YouTube naman, medyo mas mahaba lahat ng mga interviews. Kompleto siya. So, magugustuhan nyo. Kasi kompleto talaga siya. Compared to the Facebook, that's a little bit shorter. Diba? 10 minutes lang, 15 minutes lang. So, sa YouTube naman, it's gonna be a lot more, everything you're gonna be included. Pati yung mga nakabalik tayo. para ma-entertain kayo. Okay, guys? So, love you guys. Ma-i-start na kami dito. So, yung abangan nyo, yung Luis Listens and our Facebook page, Vlog with Luis. Kasi kasi siya yung mag-guest. Okay? Yung bagong Facebook, post natin na next week. Okay, guys? So, love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Kita-kita tayo mamaya, okay? Bye-bye, guys. To F1 Singapore. So, here we are, finally, in F1 Singapore, and we're doing the pit walk, as you can see. And of course, I'm recording for the vlog. So, double purpose. Ako dito, wala ko cameraman. Nasaan si Kuya Joel? Wala mag-isa ako eh. So, yun. So, here we are. This is Williams. Right? So, we have a lot of other cars. And it's a little bit windy. Let me fix my hair. Yan. There. Okay. And then, they're practically just like checking stuff, right? Testing stuff. And we are walking because that's what this is all about. You walk among all of them. See? Check all the cars, take pictures. And then mamaya pabalik tayo sa paddock. Yung EW family ko, Villa Medica family ko, naunahon na sila eh. Ako na mag-isa ko dito, maglakad. So yun. So basically, the part that I love the most about the F1 is really like the racing. And I'm always mesmerized of how high-tech those cars are. Like, halimbawa, Aston Martin, for example. Tingnan mo, gano'n maganda yung kotse nila. Diba? Ganda eh. Super nice. Right? And then of course, there is a lot of other cars still. And as we go along, we check all of them. Malapit kami sa McLaren. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Yung McLaren naman, orange and black. Ganda ng combination, diba? Pero I wonder, ano yung favorite nyo? Ano yung mga favorite cars nyo? Who is your bet for this competition in Singapore? So, ang dami tao dito. Let me just... There. So, we have 50 minutes for the pit lane. So, yun. This is the McLaren. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang ganda ng kotse. Hello. There. Right? Let's try to get a better view.